This video is to show you how to do our traditional method of multiplication. We've been doing a lot of multi-digit multiplication in our classroom, and the first way that Mrs. Apiza showed you how to do it is called the traditional way. Traditional. So, traditional method goes like this. Let's say I have a problem 46 times 8. I'm going to start in my ones column, like I do all the time, okay? And I'm going to start by multiplying 6 times 8. Now I know that 6 times 8 is 48, but I can't put two digits in this one spot, so I need to bring my 4 up, and my 8 goes here. Now what do I do with this 4? I'm going to add it to the product of my next multiplication problem, which is 4 times 8. I know that 4 times 8 is 32, plus 4 more is 36. So 46 times 8 is 368. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is sometimes we might have a 3-digit, like 325, times a 2-digit, which would be 12. So how do we do this one? This one's a little trickier. Well, we start in the ones column just like we did before, and I'm not going to worry about the 1 yet. I'm only going to be focused on the 2 here. So let's just start by multiplying all of these top numbers by 2. I know that 5 times 2 is 10. 1, 0. Now I move on to my tens column. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. I can't forget to add that 1 up here. And then 3 times 2 is 6. So now I've finished with my 2. I'm done with that, and I'm done with this plus 1 up here, so I like to cross them out or erase them. But before I move on to my next set of multiplication problems, I need to add a placeholder down here in my ones place. So after you've done that, we can move on and go right back up here to this 5, and now we're going to multiply everything by 1. So 5 times 1 equals 5. Move on to the tens. 2 times 1 equals 2, and 3 times 1 equals 3. The last thing we need to do is add up these two products to get our final answer. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And then I just bring down my 3. So my answer to 325 times 12 is 3,900. Let's try one more. Let's say I had 45 times 73. Okay? Again, I am only going to concentrate on the 3 first, and I start in my ones column. So I know that 5 times 3 is 15. Put down my 5. My 1 comes up here. I'm going to add that to my next product. Then I move on to 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 more is 13. Put a placeholder down below. Now I'm done with the 3, and I'm done with this plus 1. Go back to my 5 over here, and I do 5 times 7 is 35. 35. And 4 times 7 is 28, plus 3 more is 31. Add them together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. And bring down my 3. Your answer is 3,285. I hope this helps you complete your multiplication problems in the traditional method. Check out my video for lattice multiplication, and good luck.